Hey guys, so here's another fan I'm going to part out and put in the pile and back until somebody, wants it who's not, a regular customer or whatever, because it doesn't have all the pieces. Just a polished brass Delta 2. Well, the only thing that makes it unusual is the high gloss blades, which is really nice. And no hang true that I can find. So no canopy or mounting hardware. Otherwise looks to be in good shape, flywheel intact. So I'll do another video at the end of the day and show you everything we put out for sale. Hey guys, here's going to be the last fan to go out for today. Great, can I show that? Snap tool. I don't think we do. If we did, it would be in the tool. You're talking about for sale?
Yeah.
It would be in the tools department. You see where it says like miscellaneous? We have a lot of tools and things for sale there. That's got Air Max motor in it. This Casablanca is pretty cool for a spinner motor. Quorum, Hampton Bay, Monte Carlo, maybe a Fasco Gulfstream or a Minka, Encon Imperial, or I can't remember what they call it. Craftsmade, Summer Breeze. Oh, we got one space left up here. Minka Cumberland. Okay, thanks for watching.